So this could be a problem. I'm piping hot out of here. It's set to on. It's not in. It's not using the dehumidifier in between mode. It's fully on. This thing is running 100% duty cycle. I got like 114, 120 degrees out of here. But I got next to no. Oh, and the humidity. The humidity in this room. You can see there's water standing on the floor. The humidity in this room is 71% humidity, 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Almost no water flow. This is rated at 155 psi, and what do we got? A teaspoon of water coming per minute. Let's see if we can see how much water is coming out. So we got, you can see how much water is coming out. Just drops. Almost nothing there. So this is burning a lot of electricity, but it's not working, or barely working. 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 71% humidity. Should be a lot more than that.